After Tunisha Sharma's suicide, many reports claim that she was pregnant. Now her postmortem report revealed that Tunisha was not pregnant and she died of suffocation. Meanwhile, police said that Tunisha was stressed due to her breakup with Sheezan Khan and that drove her to take the drastic step. On the other hand, after a BJP MLA linked Tunisha's death to love jihad, Mumbai Police said they have not found any angle of love jihad, another affair or blackmailing.
प्रेगनेंसी की खबर आ रही है, अगर आप
नहीं मेडिकल जो उसका कल पोस्टमार्टम हुआ उसमें भी कुछ
ब्रेकअप का कुछ वजह बताए, लव जिहाद को लेके कुछ
ऐसा
तरह का
कुछ सामने
एंगल
नहीं है।
और कॉज ऑफ डेथ क्योंकि वहाँ पे कुछ रस्सी नहीं थी, कुछ अगर आप
उसके हाथ में जो बैंडेज था उसमें लगा के,
इसके अलावा और कोई बॉडी पे निशान
नहीं, बॉडी पे निशान।
Based on the late actress's mother's complaint, Sheezan was arrested for abetment to suicide and a few of her colleagues have also been summoned by the police. For more news and updates, stay tuned to ETimes.